Hello everybody, today I have a graphics card to repair. This is an ATI RAGE 128 PCI. As you may know, I'm a huge fan of PCI graphics cards that are more powerful than your average 2D S3 Trio thing. And this card has a problem. Let's check out what it does. There's the problem. You've got a memory fault. And I had analyzed this fault previously a little bit. And what I think is happening is that there is a bonding failure inside this memory chip. Because all I have to do is move my finger vaguely in the direction of the RAM chip and it starts flickering. I'm not even touching the chip. So, that's funny. I ordered some replacements from AliExpress and I hope they're genuine parts. Here are the replacements. I'm gonna put one of them on. You may see here that some pads are damaged. That is not because I screwed up the desoldering, it is because the chip has been desoldered twice before for debugging purposes. As a result, I'm treating them with some UV curable solder mask. As you can see, the card works perfectly. Actually, this card has a bit of an interesting story. I bought it a few months ago at a flea market, but it was a Macintosh card. It took me quite a while to find a PC BIOS for it, a problem which was solved by a Twitter user called Tercio or Tercio? I don't know. Anyway, he had a PC BIOS for it, which he thankfully gave to me. So thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.